Okay, hello guys, and day 3, okay, today is day 3. We got sell win, and I'm not focused on buy because I know gold will break, so that's why I'm not giving any signal, even scalping buy, because I just want waiting my zone and sell at my zone. Okay, the reason why I give sell, okay, I don't want to share the, okay, actually this is yesterday. Okay, I don't want overclaim, okay, but you guys can log in my account. You guys can see how I trade, how I hold. Okay, from the highest I hold around 400 pips. Actually easy if you trade, example 10 layer, 9 close and 1 hold. Okay, now back to basic. I want to explain why I don't want buy. Okay, boom. First support here. First support. Okay, some student ask me, yes, we can buy here, we can buy here. Why? Because we have support here, right? That's why gold fly. But what I can say is gold will keep falling. Why? Okay, at the structure M5, as you can see on F5, okay, structure trend line already break up. Okay, clear, right? So that's why I'm focused on sell. But why gold not fly until this level? Why gold not fly until this level? And then boom. Okay, this is, you need to put 100% attention. Okay, first H1. As you can see on H1, this is engulfing type 2. Okay, bullish, bearish and bearish. Okay, this is type 2. Type 1, bearish, bullish. Okay, this is type 1. Okay, this is typical and always can easy to find, right? So look at M30. Okay, M30, why I am focused on M30, this support, second support, and this support breakout. That's why I'm focused on sell. Okay, once pull back, we sell. Support, breakout, pull back, sell. Okay, simple, right? SBR pattern, SBR setup. Okay, and then what you can see, have EE setup here. I already marking the zone and sharp entry. Only touch the zone and then booms. Okay, only touch the zone and then boom, falling down. Okay, the second one is this zone. Okay, this is resistance, this is support. Support, resistance, breakout, pull back, sell, pull back, sell. This is what gold give to us today. Okay, that's why I give until third entry, third round. Okay, on M15. Okay, I'm focused on M15. Why I give second round and third round? First support, breakout. Once breakout, once pull back, I give sell. Once pull back, I give sell. Okay, you got it? Support, breakout, sell will be SBR. Simple. Actually, this is simple. So what next for gold? Okay, for gold, I just marking here. Actually, I already done trade. Okay, done for today. Okay, I just marking on H1. This H1. Okay, I delete this one because I already put BE and I already close my position. Okay, I just monitor here. Why? Because this is engulfing fail, which is, this is engulfing buy, but this setup break. This is engulfing buy, but this setup break will be engulfing fail. Okay, once engulfing fail, have potential for falling down at this zone. Okay, will be support, become resistance. Okay, you guys learn something? At least 30 pips. And then at M5, you can see this pattern and have resistance here. So maybe you can try. But if you want trade with me, just and you can gain big capital. Okay, so for those, everyone can log in. Okay, everyone can log in my account. Okay, I already share my password. So if I put one lot, you put one lot. Okay, follow 100%. If I close, you close. If I cut loss, you cut loss. If I put break even, just put break even. Just follow 100%. Follow 100%. Okay, if I profit $1,000, you need to make a same profit like me. If I make $200, you need to make a same profit like me. Okay, I hope you guys can follow my profit, follow my trade, follow my lots. If you want put big lot size, it's okay. If you have confidence with me, you can put big lot size. Okay, the most important is focus on gold sell. Okay, but we need to know why gold fly here. H1 using line chart, just marking using net line, just marking here. Oh, gold respect this support. That's why gold can fly. Gold fly around 50 pips maybe. Oh, 60 pips. This is also crazy. But if you want trade with me, just trade tomorrow with me and just waiting for me. Okay, this time I need to spend to my family. So I hope done for today. If you want self trade, you can self trade. Make sure you have SL. You need to put SL. You need to put TP. Once blues close, focus on gaining, focus on USD. Okay, focus on grow your account. Okay, congrats. This is my capital right now. So I already grow with you guys, and this is my capital right now. So I hope you guys learn something and keep grow with me. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoy and understand what I'm talking and what I'm sharing with you. Okay.